When I go to the beach, I don't go swimming. I've heard there are sharks there that like to eat women.
You've got to say something. What can you say?
Merry Christmas
Merry
and Happy New Year.
That's pretty good. And I'm going to say, and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you too. And then I'm going to turn it back to you, and you're going to say, Happy Christmas, Dad, Mum, Mum and Dad.
Merry Christmas, Mum and Dad.
You'll come with me and make sandcastles, sandcastles all afternoon. Sandcastles, sandcastles here on the dunes. They're the biggest and tallest that you've ever seen. For I am the sandcastle queen. Got my pail and my shovel and all of my tools. A sandcastle architect has to have rules, so I never use sand that's too wet or too dry. It might make my sandcastle fall, then I'd cry. Everybody say, wah! I make sand.
Well, scattered.
Kirstin and Cadel down there, then that's all of us.
Cadel's there.
Where's Cadel? Where's Cadel?
Biggest thing always do about them.
Oh, I think I
Play games.
Have other glasses in here,
A bit gamey.
but go to the wee one.
Wow.
Very solid, mate.
Still taking a naked woman around there.
Yeah. It's a common problem.
What? Yep. Oh, that's
Oh, yeah.
What about that? Oh, yes.
He could be jumping to New Zealand.
Oh, you just.
Oh,
Yes.
Where's it? We got some of that on there.
Oh.
Wow.
Hang on. You gotta go right down and then whoa! Right down. Wow.
What? Yes. Wow.
You did it.
That's the biggest ever jump.
Sandcastle queen. If you want to make your sandcastles terrific, here's some advice. I'll be very specific. You must watch out for toddlers. Dogs can mean trouble. One wrong move can turn your sandcastle to rubble.